Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great day. Okay. Hope you're having a great weekend. Okay. Today is June the 22nd of 2025. We have made it to day number 73 of this Miley Gen Secret Challenge. All right. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about here, is guys, we are shooting a 1 year challenge, 365 days, where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, okay, in the Make Money Online niche. And then also we are using a service called Mileage and Secret System. We're putting those together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year doing something, right? So if you guys don't know what's going on, whatever I'm speaking is Chinese, language to you. Go back to the first video of the series, kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. So you can see, what we're doing here, guys. So you kind of understand it a little bit more and see the progress and see what we're doing. All right. So we've made it to day number 73. Let's go ahead and get right to it, guys. All right. So if you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every time you come into your back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Now, what differentiates how many leads that you get, whether it's 100 or 200, is how many accounts that you have. Okay. So if you have multiple accounts doing this, you're going to get 200 leads every single day. Okay. So if you guys get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. So in the back of this office, there's going to be tabs going across here. The only thing that's different in this back office is going to be the emails that I'm sending versus the emails that you're sending. Okay. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and get started with the Mileage and Secret System, I did leave a link below this video. Just go ahead and go to this link right here, guys. Go ahead and get signed up, get started, so you can start sending out emails. And you can follow along with these videos if you need help, learning how to do that. All right. Just a little bit about myself with the Mileage and Secret System. I've been with Mileage and Secret over a few years now. Okay, I totally love the service. All right, I've been promoting tons of different opportunities, business opportunities to this traffic. I could tell you that it does work. It does convert, okay, and I've earned income doing so, okay. Now, the only thing with this traffic is, guys, that this is cold traffic, okay, so these people have to get warmed up to you before they start trusting you to start purchasing from you. So that's the only thing. You have to put in the work. With Mileage and Secret, you can come in every single 24 hours. You can send out one email every single 24 hours, okay. So that's the only thing on that. And it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to send out an email, to send out your emails to however many accounts that you have. It's pretty quick to do so. Okay. So, I have about 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails. Okay. Every single day. Okay. So, to send out an email, I'm going to show you how easy it is to send out an email in this traffic system. So all you need to do is go over here to the mailing system. Let me show you how easy it is. Come down here to where it has your leads right here, and you're just going to transfer those over here. Okay, and right now this list is going to this email is going to go out to over 200,000 people. You want to come down here. The offer that we're going to be using is going to be a offer called Social Sales Rep. They have free email swipes that we can use. Doesn't cost you anything, guys, and these emails do convert like crazy. Okay, they convert and they work. All right. So let's go ahead and pick an email. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab this one right here. And we're just going to grab this one. Okay. Take the subject line, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then Control V. Okay. Super easy to do. Like I said, it takes you guys minutes to do this. Okay. Come down here to the perfect tab, perfect timing tab. We want to go back over here to the offer. And let's go ahead and grab this body of text here. Okay. And we want to come down here, boom, and click on Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, and then we want to Control V. All right, very easy to do. Okay, take out signature. You either want to put in your name or put in management, whichever one you want. Okay, and then let's go ahead and go up here to where it says hide name, and we're going to take this right here, this embedded code. That way, we addressed our prospects by their first name. Okay. So let's go to Control V. Super easy. So now when this email goes out, it says like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever our customer's name is. And it goes into the job description. Okay. And then also it has our name at the bottom. These bold texts, guys, are going to be our call to action buttons. So what we want to do is we want to turn these into clickable links, these two right here. So we're just going to take this right here And then we're going to go to the underline right here. Let's go ahead and go to this link tab. Click on that. Now, underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link that we're going to use, okay? Which is going to be this one right here, okay? Control C. And the only thing we need to do is we need to take this out where it says your ClickBank ID. You want to put in your affiliate ID, okay? That's how you get the credit for this email, okay? Control V. Let's paste that in there, and then we're going to take this out, right? Let's take this out. And then you want to put in your affiliate ID, whatever that is. Don't put in mine, but put in your affiliate ID. Okay. So you just want to click on OK. Let's go ahead and grab that. Control C. Just to click on OK. That turns that into a clickable link there. You see how that changed colors there and put a line under it. Let's go ahead and do this one. Put a line under it and go to the link tab. Control V. Okay. And then we want to make sure that our affiliate link is in there. It's right there. And then boom. And what I want to do is make this a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18. Okay. And once we do that, guys, everything looks good in this email. So this email looks good and it's ready to go. So what you would do, you would come down here and you would either click on preview now or submit. So, or send now or preview. Okay. So what we want to do is click on preview. And when you get to the preview, it's going to pull your email up in real time. All you have to do is click on these links right here, guys. Both of these links. Okay. Click on that one and click on this one. And what you're looking for is in the URL, when that link pops up, you want to look for your affiliate ID in the URL. Okay. So that's very important. So that way, you know, you're getting the credit for this email that's going out to thousands of people or hundreds of people, depending on where you are in the system. Okay. So what we will do after we confirm both of those links work, you want to come back here, you want to click on send now. What that does is going to send that email out to thousands of people that are on your list. Now, me, I've already sent out my emails tonight, guys. Just got ahead of you guys just a little bit just to save some time for this video. But I just sent out an email blast to all my subscribers just to show you guys how to do this and how easy it is to do it. Okay. Now, if you can send out emails in Gmail or Yahoo, whatever email service that you use, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. Now, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started with the My Legion Secret. And then there's also $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. Now, that $30 a month, you're getting thousands of people coming into your subscriber list every single month, and you get to keep that traffic. Okay. That way, when you come in every day and you send out your one email to all your people, okay, you're going to just be able to get in front of new people every single day. Okay, and as affiliate marketers, one of the most important things that we need is traffic to our pages, traffic to our websites. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion Secret system. Let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a network service that provides tons of different niches that you can use to promote. They have anywhere from health and fitness to spirituality to cooking to make money online or whatever. Okay. Now, the thing about this traffic is these people are only looking for ways to earn money online. Okay. So us as affiliate marketers, all we got to do is go out and grab business opportunity offers, create an email, put our affiliate link in there, and send that out to those people. And those people are going to click on your link. They're going to see if this opportunity fits them and see if they can earn money from it. Okay. Now, once they figure out they can do this, they're going to purchase from you or subscribe to whatever you're doing. And then you will earn a commission from that. Okay. So I did show you how to send out an email. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the results from the emails that we sent out last night. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. All right. Today is June the 22nd. Okay. Now let's go ahead and look at this offer down here. So we're promoting the social sales rep offer. Today we get 677 hops, okay, which is really good. And then we got 360 unique hops, okay. These are brand new people that came to our checkout page. These people decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason, okay. Now, we did get some order form impressions here, but with this offer, we got one order form impression, okay. Someone went to the checkout page, they decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Now, as you can see, we did earn a sale today, which is really good. Okay. We earned a free trial sale. So what that means is that somebody signs up today. We don't get paid for the free trial, but in 3 days, they get billed for the program and then we earn our commission. Okay. Now, after we earn that commission, we get that customer gets billed the same time next month, and the month after, and the month after, and the month after. Okay, that's the reason why I'm promoting this offer because it has a rebill of $20 every single month. So all we got to do is come in here, do the work one time, and then those $20 payments are eventually going to start stacking on top of each other. And then that's what's going to give us the $40 days, the $60 days, the $80 days, the $100 days, and on up. Okay. So we did get a sale today. Now, also, we did get a rebill as well. And we're going to find out where this rebill came from. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and check that out. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to accounts. So I want to go over in here and then I want to find out where this sale came from. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on today. It's Sunday. Let's go ahead and click on there. And I'm going to come down here and we want to click on this one. Okay. Now this sale, oh man. So this sale came from a rebill from back in April. Okay. When we first started this program. Okay. So this email came from back in April. The person got rebilled in July. And then now they're getting rebuilt again in June. Okay. So this same person has done stayed with us for a couple of months now. And this is what I was saying, the power of this offer, guys. Okay. Because this rebuild was from last couple of months. They got bid and we got a sale from it last month at this same day last month. Okay. Now we're getting another sale again. This is a rebuild. This is what I was talking about. We're going to stack these $20 payments on top of each other, where eventually, like I said, we're going to be just getting rebills and rebills every single day, and we're going to just be able to stack those $20 payments on top of each other, which is really awesome, guys. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, that we did get a sale today, and we did get a rebill. Okay, from a couple of months ago, and that rebill is still coming in, and I'm glad that that customer is staying on our list and they're staying with us to keep making the money that they want to make. All right, which is really good. So just wanted to show you guys the results today. We did earn a commission today. We did earn a sale. Okay, we got a free trial sign up, which is good. This should be actually paid out on, I believe today's Sunday, so to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It should be Wednesday that we should be paid out on this sale. Okay, but I'm also going to be looking for more sales either tomorrow as well, and then also more rebills coming in from the months that we've had. So things are looking on the up and up, guys. Everything is looking good here. Um, I'm going to leave this video on that note. Just wanted to come in and show you guys how to do stuff. Okay, I showed you how to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. It's super easy to do. If you don't remember, just go back and watch this video from the beginning so you can get an idea. Also, subscribe to this channel below. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Send a comment to me. Let me know if how you feel about this stuff. Okay, and this is for people who are out there who are looking to earn extra income. Now, if you're someone that needs extra income to maybe pay a light bill or pay a gas bill or maybe even pay your rent or put groceries on the table, okay? This is going to be the extra income that you're going to be able to get. And also, if you want to get full-time income from this thing, possibly $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month from this thing, you can come in here, get multiple accounts, guys, and send out emails every single day, and you'll get there. Okay. So it's just all a numbers game, guys. The more accounts you have, the more traffic you have, the more opportunity that you have to earn commissions. All right. And also the emails that you send out. Okay. So I just showed you guys how to send out an email. I showed you the results from last night's email. Okay. We got some traffic. We got some order form impressions, and we also got a sale today from last night's email. Okay. And then not only did we get a new sale, we got a rebill from the last couple of months from someone that already purchased the program, right? Which is really awesome. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow for Monday, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.